I have my, check guys, the new Nitro RC road car. This is a very huge car. Hello, hi YouTube. Again I'm back with another amazing Nitro RC, and this is a huge car, guys. Check, this is so big, and this is 1/7 scale or 1/6 scale, I don't have any idea, but the cover of this RC car is very huge, and this thing comes with this remote. And check the looks, guys. This is so beautiful. This is Nitro RC road car with SH28 engine, guys. Check the looks, check the beauty of this cover. And I bought this car from a local hobby store, and this is a brand new car, but you will find these kind of cars rarely, because these are not available nowadays, because very few people are looking for Nitro, you know. Is sitting for maybe more than 3-4 years, but no buyer, so I bought this one. And check, guys, wow, this is SH28 engine, the very powerful engine, and this comes with a shocks front and back. I don't have any idea about this car. Either is a road car, either is a drift car, either is maybe this is for speed, you know, so maybe I can touch maybe 60 or 70 kilometer, because this car looks like a road car, and the shocks are very nice, you know. And these are the tires, road tires, and there's foam inside, and very grippy. And this thing comes with a big tank, you know, and this is a 4.7 cc engine, SH28, and amazing. This car is amazing, you know. I'm always looking for these kind of cheap Nitros, because this car, the original price is more than 400 US dollar, but now I bought in 200. Yes, I bought this car in 200 US dollar, which is almost the half price. And check the cover, guys. This cover I really like. And this is a huge cover, guys. You will get the idea, the size. I'm not sure, either is a 1/6 or 1/7 scale, but this car is huge. After putting this cover, this is not like my 1/8 scale size trucks, you know. This is bigger than that. And the quality of these shocks, and the brand which is mentioned on the cover is Himoto. I think this is Himoto or HSP, you know. So guys, the build quality of this Nitro RC road car is very nice. The parts quality and the plastic, and especially these shocks, you know. So guys can see, even I can bash even I can bash with this road car. I will put some sand tires, paddle tires, and I can play in the sand also. But check the size of these tires, you know. These are big, you know, big tires. Check, very big. So you guys can see one crash video. So instead of this, I will place this this thing is a very cheap solution for the car battery, so I will definitely not going to use it. Just throw this, guys. Don't use these cheap batteries. If you have, so go for a energizer, or, you know, good quality cells, but this box is full with risk. So now I have this LiPo small battery, which is around 2000 milliampere. So I will use this battery instead of these you know, cells, normal batteries. Yes. And then perfect. Need some oiling, because this car is sitting from years. And then let me check the braking. Good. Very tight brake. These sounds are crazy sounds. So these brakes are nice. Very strong brake. See, I'm just touching it and then this car stops. So brakes are working, and some crazy sounds are coming which I don't have idea. Maybe this plastic is touching this throttle, so I will fix this one. Hello, hi YouTube, again I'm back, and I'm at my favorite RC spot. Check guys, and nobody is there, so it's a very quiet place at this time. And see what I have my, check guys, the new Nitro RC road car. This is a very huge car. Hello, hi guys. So now I'm here at my bench, and check the location is a perfect location, and I'm sitting with all my tools, because if you are going to play with Nitro RC, you have to prepare yourself before one day, you know. So that's why everything is ready, the charge, the glow plug igniters, and everything is fully prepared, you know, for this day. You cannot just play like before 5 minutes, so you have to charge the batteries, you have to charge everything, you know, you have to prepare yourself. Now I will remove the cover and I will fill up this tank for the first time, and I'm very excited. And check guys, this is the fuel bottle, and I'm using the 25% nitro. So let me fill up the tank. It's full. The tank is full guys. Yes, because I have to do the braking, and for that you have to fill up the tank completely, and then I will connect the battery. So here, this is the battery box. This is a waterproof box. So yes, this is the box. Okay, yes, ready. The car is ready to fly. Close this box, and okay. Leaking. The fuel is leaking guys. Oh my god. The tank is leaking. This is very bad. You guys can see the bubbles because this fuel tank is leaking, so I have to replace this fuel tank. So but still I'm doing the braking, because this braking doesn't need anything, you know, because I'm not running this car, so you guys can see. And and currently I'm running very rich. So I hope this tank will finish quickly, and you guys can see the tires are not moving, so this is perfect for the braking, you know. So let the engine run for some time, and today I'm not going to run this car because this tank is broken, so I have to replace this fuel tank. Hello, hi YouTube. Today I'm here at another amazing place, and yesterday there was some issue with my Nitro road RC car, but I just changed the fuel tank and one servo, but now the car is perfectly fine. So this is my another favorite spot for the RC cars, planes, you know, so you can play here. There's no traffic, and now actually I did the braking procedure. I already finished 5 tanks, so now this is the 6 tanks. I will run the car like at a slow speed, not a very high speed, and then today I will also try the maximum speed because I cannot stop myself. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Now I will show you how to run this car. Okay.